SEO is becoming a logistics nightmare. If you are an agency owner or a solopreneur, you are likely spending 80% of your time context switching between bloated plugins, broken spreadsheets, and dozens of CMS logins. Search has evolved. Google's AI overviews care about entities and semantic authority, not keyword density. Traditional tools can't keep up. That's why we built EAP. We completely re-engineered how search data is delivered. Tying your semantic SEO to a specific CMS leaves your data trapped in silos, vulnerable to every platform update. It shouldn't matter if a site is built on WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, or a custom stack. EAP extracts your knowledge graph and hosts it at the edge, giving you total control, independent of the website itself. EAP is a true headless multi-tenant engine. See this? These are isolated workspaces. One click, and the entire platform shifts to a different client's knowledge graph. No new logins, no juggling passwords, just pure workflow. Onboarding a new site used to take hours. In EAP, it takes 60 seconds. Enter the domain, copy this single universal edge snippet, and drop it into the head of any site, WordPress, Shopify, or even custom stacks. The AI Weaver instantly crawls the site and begins constructing the semantic foundation automatically. Next, we build the root of the graph, the Global Identity Hub. You define your client's EAT signals here. Wikipedia links, founders, and coordinates once. Our edge router injects this authoritative node into every single page request on the domain, hard-coding trust at the infrastructure level. Managing silos in spreadsheets is officially over. Right from the main dashboard, you can quickly assign any URL to a parent hub using the semantic silo dropdown. But to truly visualize your structure, hop over to the architecture map. It's a live, interactive tree of your entire entity graph. If you spot a spoke page cannibalizing your main hub, or you just need to reorganize a topical cluster, don't write a single line of code. Just drag it and drop it into place. The exact second you drop that node, the EAP brain recomputes the relationship. It automatically writes and injects the is part of and has part schema properties. This explicitly tells search engines exactly which pages support your main topics, funneling all that semantic authority straight up to your money pages. It pushes the update to the edge, instantly. You are physically shaping the site's ranking power from a single screen. This is where EAP becomes your most valuable employee. Our opportunity radar connects directly to your raw Search Console data. When it spots a high-value keyword stuck in striking distance on page 2, you don't just get a spreadsheet. You get an execution button. One click bridges you seamlessly from the data directly into the architect. You now have 3 aggressive plays to push that keyword to page 1. First, the intent rewrite. With one click, the AI formulates a highly optimized title and meta description specifically targeting this exact keyword, overriding your native CMS tags to maximize your click-through rate. Need to steal more search real estate? Deploy the PAA hijacker. The AI brain is physically reading the live content of your page, identifying the intent gap, and drafting an exact match FAQ schema patch to hijack the people also ask boxes. Done. Or deploy the semantic booster. The system scans top-ranking corpus data, extracts the missing LSI entities, and instantly weaves them into your graph's mentions array. This elevates your semantic density to satisfy Google's exact quality threshold. Choose your strategy, hit save, and the engineered payload is pushed directly to the edge. No developers, no waiting, just pure ranking power. Underneath it all is mathematically perfect JSON-LD. No bloat, no errors. Let's grab a deployed product snippet. Watch what happens when we run this payload through Google's own rich results test. Instant eligibility with 0 warnings across the board. Just the exact data AI search engines are looking for, delivered at the edge. And because we're managing the client's total entity, we handle local SEO too. Schedule posts for any Google Business Profile location directly from the same dashboard. Keep their entity active without ever leaving EAP. At the end of the month, the Report Studio pulls your live wins directly from the graph. In seconds, you generate a white-labeled PDF showing exactly how many cannibalized pages you fixed and how many clicks you hijacked. You aren't just selling SEO, you're selling engineered results. Stop fighting with fragmented tech stacks and fragile CMS integrations. Start controlling the edge. The 14-day free trial is waiting for you. Drop your first snippet today and see what it feels like to have real authority. I'll see you on the inside.